guys, I'm Narmata from Samyukta Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to talk with you about the 4 simple steps on how to choose the perfect color to your home. We recently refurbished our house. We ripped off the whole house. We almost rebuilt our house. And I get to ask this question by my friends over and over and over again. How do you manage to do all the refurbishment work, managing 2 kids at home too? To be honest with you, building or refurbishing your house is a really hard work, I tell you. Especially choosing the right colors, depending on the function of the particular room is really difficult. As you know, when you go to the stores to buy paints, there are thousands of varieties of colors and shades available for you. That makes the job really difficult. Let's get started with these 4 simple steps to choose the perfect color for your home. And at the end, I'm also going to give you the tips for choosing the right color depending on the function of the room. Step 1 is to get a collection of your favorite colors. Go through magazines, Google for it, or use Pinterest. You have a lot of images of bedroom colors, living room colors, dining rooms, everything. And when you do this exercise, actually, you will choose some color more than others. You will do it subconsciously. At the end, when you compare the colors, you would have chosen one particular color many times. That means you subconsciously like that color. You know, when I did this exercise for my house painting, I had chosen the shades of white, different shades of white, more than 10 times. So I exactly knew what color I wanted for my living room. Something closer to white, some light shade closer to white. So get your colors sorted. And step 2 is to choose your floor color first before you can choose your wall color. That's why I'm saying is, you know, your wall color and your flooring has to complement each other. You have to first decide whether you want a carpet floor or you're going for a wooden floor or tiles. If it is tiles, what color? If it's carpet, what kind of color you're going to have, stripes or dotted or plain, because that has to strike a harmony with your wall color. So choose your floor color before you choose the wall color. And step 3 is to always buy the sample paint. In all the stores, they sell the sample paints. It comes in small tins or pouches. They're very cheap. Buy a few colors, not just one. Buy a few colors of your choices for each room. Come home and paint them. Paint patches of things in your wall. And then let it dry first, because after drying, it'll look a little bit different when it is wet. So let it dry first and then live with it for 1 or 2 days, and then have a look at it in sunlight and during the night and in the light. So decide on which color you want and narrow it down. Hi!
Hi!
We are at Homebase here. Homebase this is a very popular store in UK for all the home goods, you know, paints and everything, anything related to house. This is a very popular store and the quality is also very good. So we have come here today to choose our paint color. I know it's going to be very confusing. There'll be hundreds of colors, you know. Yeah, millions of colors, I know that. So let's try our luck today.
This looks good. Oh, they look so good. One more. Oh.
Aarti, do you think this will be good for the living room? It's called rum caramel. It's light. It'll be light and bright. Sam, what do you think?
Which one?
This one, the last
That'd be
one.
nice.
Yeah?
Like the mornings, the sun.
Yeah. Yeah, it will be bright. For the bedrooms, I want light shade of
Do we have light blue?
Or green. My bedroom, I want light green.
Greenish. I got some light green, please.
Yeah, thanks.
It comes in 2 dark.
This one.
Colors we could use.
Look, Susie has got loads. Show me your colors. These are the colors you like? Yeah, for your room? Yeah?
I want it to be rainbow.
Rainbow colors.
Yeah,
Susie wants rainbow. You know, all the colors will be white paint, and when you tell them the name, they mix different colors into it. This is the machine. We are now trying to match the floorboard colors with the wall colors. Susie wants only rainbow colors. She's very upset. Path is trying to explain her.
What we have to find a color which really wants. Yeah?
Sam, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you looking at the lights? Okay.
I know which one I prefer. I like this one.
Which one you like?
Too.
Okay, keep looking at the lights. Here are the tester kits. All these are light and space ones.
Mama, can we
We have to
taste
mix it. Yeah?
Number 5. Sorry.
Sissy, look, the paint is ready.
Mom, imagine the whole of the downstairs painted in this.
What is that?
It's glitter.
Glittery paint. Oh, maybe good for a disco room. Not for our living room, surely. But the colors are very nice.
Yeah.
Show me all the colors you bought. Sam, your choices.
This is Mango Melody,
Yeah.
Sea Urchin, and Coral Luster.
Alright, you got your choices.
Yeah.
We are painting the tester colors at home now. Susie is giving it a go. Look. She's very excited to do the painting. Do you like it, Susie? Yeah? Now it's Sam's turn to do it. We are going to let this dry for one day and then we are going to come and check this color before deciding.
Mama, what
Yeah?
about the other colors?
Yeah, we are going to paint all of them now. All the colors.
This one's called Sea Urchin, Mum.
What's the color?
Sea Urchin.
Oh,
I like
It's
it.
a
It's
nice
nice, nice
colour.
blue.
yeah.
Do you want to have a go, Susie?
Give it a go. And step 4, this is the final step, is to paint. If you have a builder, get your builder to paint it. If you don't have a builder, if you're doing only just one room, get your husband to paint your room. Don't spoil your clothes. My personal tip will be, when you choose the color for any room, think about the activity, what you're going to do in that room. What is the use of that room? If it is a bedroom, you want peace and quiet. So these green and blue shades, actually they give a calming and soothing effect. They are best suitable for bedrooms and bathrooms to relax and unwind. If it is a kids activity room, you want to go for something active colors, warming colors like red in the shades of not dark red, in the shades of red and yellow. They are very warming colors. And also think about the lighting in that room when you choose the color for any room. You know, if the paint color is dark, it'll make the room look smaller and cozy as well. If the room color is light paint, it'll make it bright and spacious. I hope you like my 4 steps and my tips in choosing the perfect right color for your home, and I would like to hear your comments if you had any trouble in choosing the right color and what are the methods you use. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks for your time. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to Samyukta Diaries, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye. The color you choose for your house shows your personality and style.
Mommy wants cookie, Mommy wants cookie, Mommy wants cookie.
Yeah. Why? What are you doing?
Welcome to Samyukta's Diaries. Today, I'm talking blah 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 blah.
Is that how Mommy
blah.
talks?